Today, we're learning how to create a heart-shaped magnifying glass effect, a perfect way to highlight someone or something special in your video with a romantic touch. Let's dive right in. First, import your video into CapCut and tap to select it on the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, go to Effects, then choose Video Effects. Next, open the Motion category and scroll until you find the Heart Magnifier Effect. Tap to apply it to your clip. Once applied, you'll notice a heart-shaped magnifying glass appears on your video. To fine-tune it, tap the effect layer again and open the adjustment options. Here's where the magic happens. You can change the color of the heart's border to match your theme, maybe red for a romantic feel or white for a clean, minimal look. Use the size slider to make the heart bigger or smaller depending on how much area you want to highlight. Next, adjust the intensity slider. This controls how much the heart zooms in. Increasing it makes the magnified section pop more. You can also use the blur slider to softly blur everything outside the heart, keeping the focus on your subject. And finally, position it perfectly using the vertical and horizontal sliders. Move it to highlight the person or object you want inside the heart. Once you're done, play your video and watch that stunning heart magnifier bring all the attention exactly where you want it. And that's it. You've just created a heart magnifying glass effect in CapCut Mobile, a perfect touch for romantic edits, music videos, or aesthetic reels. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative CapCut tutorials.